Let me show you how you can find notes from the scale to really bring your songs that you want to play to life. The A chord in the key of E, hold down just the E and the A and let the others ring free. There's no rule that you have to play all three of the notes. If it sounds good to you, it's okay to do it. When I hold down the E and the A and let this B and E ring free, the B is not part of the A chord, but it is part of the scale of the key that we're in. Now, I have my first finger free to reach back and play this G sharp and go back and forth like this. If we have a chord progression that's a 1-4, it could sound something like this.